in number 1, 7 times 10 squared. In this question, we just need to do 7 times 10 squared. Now, what is squared? Squared is a number times itself by the number of indexes. In this case, 2 the index. So how many times will we times 7? Twice. That's 7 times 10 times 10, which is 7 times 100. How did I get 100? There's a simple method to solve this question. You just carry the 0 from this 10 and put it here. Then you times it by the 1. So that's how I got 100. 7 times 100 is, for those that are weak in math, I'm going to do this. 110th in units. 100 multiplied by 7. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 700. Now number 2. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 2. There are 2 methods to solving this. I'll now solve the 2. Method 1. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 8. We're going to leave this 2 aside first. Now we need to find the lowest common multiple, LCM, of 4 and 8. So we'll just write 4 and we'll draw a line and write 8. Now we need to look for a factor, the lowest factor that can divide these two numbers equally. And that's 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now we'll pick these 3 numbers and multiply them by each other. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 cubed, which is 4 times 2, which equals to 8. So the LCM is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, which equals to 7 all over 8. Plus 2. Since 2 is already a whole number, we just write 2 whole number, 7 over 8. Method 2. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 2. Any whole number changed to a fraction is just 2. It's just that number divided by 1. So 2 is a whole number in this case, and then we just divide it by 1. Change it to a fraction. Now the LCM of these 3 numbers does not change because 1 is only divisible by itself and any other number. So it does not change. It just depends on these 2 numbers. So you forget about this. 4 and 8, we've already done the LCM here and it gave us 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. So we'll just write 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 6 plus 1 plus 16 all over 8. So 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 16 all over 8. Now 7 plus 16 equals to 23, which equals to 23 all over 8. Now we need a multiple of 8 that is very close to 23. So as you can see, 23 is not divisible by 8. So we need the closest multiple of 8 to 23 so we can get our remainder, do it over 8. Now let's check. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 is higher than 23, so we step back. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 is our multiple. So it goes to, and what do you get 16? By 8. That's 16 over 8, which equals to 2. So that's 2 whole number. Now we'll now do 23 minus 16 to get our fraction. 3 minus 6 does not work, so we'll borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7 and 0. just 7. That's 7 all over 8. As you can see, these two answers are the same with different methods. You can choose any one. Now number 3. 100 minus 8 times 9. Now we use Bodmas to solve this. Bodmas simply stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So what does B stand for? Brackets, and that's the first thing, and it comes before of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we'll do this last. So first we need to focus on this. 8 times 9, you just pull out your times table. 8 times 9 is 72. That's 8 in 9 places, or 9 in 8 places. So that's 72. Now we've solved the brackets. So 100 minus 72. Now we can do 100 tenths in units. 100 tenths in units. 100 minus 72. Now you can see zeros cannot multiply minus 72. So we'll borrow. Whatever you borrow from here becomes 10. Now whatever you borrow, we borrow 1 from 10, that's 9. Whatever you borrow from here becomes 10 here. So that's 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. Your answer becomes 28. So as you can see, I've solved these 3 questions. Please follow me on Instagram. At diamond_mass_teaching. And on YouTube at Diamond Your Mental Math Teaching. And on TikTok at MassBoy. Thank you.